Okay, so today probably is one of the most important lessons. I use it in every single class of my classes. So today we're going to look at the problem solving procedure. Okay, and basically I taught over 16 different classes, and in every single one of my classes I follow the same procedure. So there's basically 4 steps, but I do a step 0 because it's also important. So step 0 is what? Read problem statement. Okay, as you read the problem statement, you do some type of figure or sketch that will summarize all the information or the input information, but also what you need to calculate. Okay? And this is not a waste of time. That gives you time to understand the problem and to think about it, okay, as you read it. Then step number 1, this is really the procedure. Step number 1 sometimes is a little bit redundant with this one, but it's important. You need to do a diagram, or again, a figure of the problem. Okay? Step 2. Okay, and you need to keep in mind that you need to do a diagram, a figure, not just like this one, but a diagram or figure that will help you then to write down the proper equation. So step 2 is to write the main solving equation. So in other classes is, believe it or not, a form of the equation summation of force equals to ma, or summation of forces equal to 0. Okay, one of those different forms. Step 3, that one is not always needed. Okay, this will be additional equations. So basically, if you are not able to solve the problem after step number 2, you probably need to find additional information about the problem. You go to step 3, and then you stay in this step until you have enough information to go to the last step, which is to solve the problem numerically. Okay, or sometimes will be symbolic. And that's it. If you follow these 4 steps plus step number 0, I guarantee you that you will always get an answer. Even if it's not the proper answer, you can always go back and find out where you did the mistake and optimize.